The Eager Labs are part of what Diplomix calls spatial transformation. So this is an attempt to bring in more labs in rural and more outlying regions into the Diplomix network. For me, what was really interesting today at Walter Sisulu University is how closely the Eager Lab will be aligned to the Joint Marine Lab that has been established here.
The type of equipment that we got through Diplomix, which will really transform the type of research that the university and the department and the faculty will be doing. And there's also the possibility of training programs that will be then offered through Diplomix. So they're playing quite a huge role already in the beginning of this particular venture.
In an ideal world, we as Diplomix would wish to support all research institutes and varsities to make sure that they're all on the same playing field. And by that I mean that they have a proper lab and infrastructure, and no one is regarded an HDI.
This for me is a call that we need to now strengthen our research in terms of genetics. Once we get this training properly, I think this lab has a great potential for us and the university at large.
So today we saw how the postgrad students, when they came to the launch, they immediately started thinking, how can I apply this technology in my projects? How can I do an extra chapter where I can do eDNA monitoring, for example? And that was very rewarding to see.
Having access to this lab will impact my studies because I will be able to combine my molecular data with the morphological data so that I can have high confidence in my identities of my species.
Having the lab on campus is just, it's amazing. It's going to bring a lot of opportunities for us.
This equipment and the lab becomes useful to us as we train our staff, as we train our students, so that the lab becomes useful and becoming a relevant.
The benefits of being able to do genomics research at these different institutions does have a trickle-down effect for the surrounding community. A lot of the projects that they are researching have societal impacts. For example, some of the projects are going to be on aquaculture or on ecosystem deliveries or fisheries. There's a whole range. Some of them are on health sciences. All of these different disciplines, research into those projects can then be used for the benefit of society as a whole.
I would like to thank Diplomix and SciHub for this initiative because it's going to make a big difference in our future students, current and future students' lives. Because without the molecular biology techniques, we are not going to do anything about food security.
One of the nice things about working with genomics, DNA is in everything and everything works together to make this world turn round.